Hello students, this is Amardeep Singh, your computer teacher, and today we are going to continue with the same chapter working with dictionaries and tuples. And in this session we'll discuss about various operations that we can perform on a dictionary like traversing dictionary, appending or adding data into dictionary, modifying and deleting dictionary data. So let's start with the first operation, that is traversing a dictionary. As we know that the process of assessing each and every element of a dictionary in a sequence is known as traversing, and we can traverse elements of a dictionary using for in loop with the following syntax. Here we are having syntax of for in loop, and we have to specify name of any variable and then in keyword, then name of the dictionary. Then this loop will automatically execute according to the number of elements available inside the dictionary. And in case of this for loop, if you will print the value of this loop variable, that is x, then it will print the key name of the dictionary. That means, as we know that we are having inside a dictionary we can store elements with the named keys, and if you will print the value of this variable, then you will get the you will be able to print the name of that particular key. And if you want to print the element available, or you can say the element belongs to that particular key, then you have to print like this, and that means the name of dictionary, and inside dictionary you have to specify the name of key. So let's demonstrate how to traverse the elements of a dictionary. So here we are having a dictionary containing three elements with the key names, name, age and address, and the value of those keys are Manjinder, 24 and Phagwara. And now if you want to traverse the elements, then you have to specify the name, you have to define the loop, that is for. Then here you have to specify name of the loop variable, and after that in keyword, then name of the dictionary. So the name of dictionary is DC here. And now if you will print the value of x, then it will print the key names. For example, key names are name, age, address. So just try to run this. So the output is name, age, address. So the name of the keys have been printed. And now if you want to print the values belong to those keys, then you have to specify like name of the dictionary, and inside the square bracket you have to specify the name of that particular key. Then save it and run the code. Now we are having the output. So if you will print that variable, that loop variable directly, then it will print the name of the keys. Then if you will print the value below, if you want to print the values belongs to that particular key, then you have to specify that key name inside the square brackets with the dictionary name. So that is all about how we can traverse the elements of a dictionary in Python. Next we will discuss about how to append or add data into a dictionary. We can append or add data into a dictionary by using square brackets, and by specifying the name of the key inside the square brackets. So that is so simple. If you, the syntax is that if you want to add an element inside into a dictionary, then you have to specify the name of dictionary, then inside square brackets you have to specify the key name and equal to value. So let's demonstrate the concept. So here we are having elements. Presently we are having three elements inside the dictionary, and if you will run the code, this code, then it will print the elements. Now I want to append a new element, so I'll specify BC, and you have to specify the name of the key that you want to create. So just specify the name of key. Inside double quotes I'll specify contact, equal to, and so this particular element will be appended or will be added to the end of existing elements. So just try to run this. So now presently we are having this element at the end of existing elements. So this one is the way how we can append or add a new element at the end of existing items. So after discussion about appending the data into a dictionary, we will discuss about how to modify dictionary data. We can modify dictionary data associated with some key by reassigning the value to an existing key. So for example, if you want to modify the value of an existing key, then you have to specify the name of the key, existing key, and a new value that you want to assign. So for example, the previous address value is Fagwada, and if you want to modify the address of the dictionary inside the dictionary, then address will be, you have to assign a new value to that the by using the same key. So let's demonstrate. So presently we are having three elements inside the dictionary, and I want to change the value of age. So the present value is 24. I want to change it, so I'll specify the name of same key, that is age, and equal to 30. So it will modify the existing value of that particular key. So just try to run this. So now you can see that the previous value was 24 and the present value is 30. And in the same way, you can also change the value of any other key. Like if you want to change the address, then I'll specify address, but you have to specify address inside double quotes because that is a element of string type. So just try to run this one. So now you can see that the address has been modified. Next, we'll discuss about how to delete dictionary data. We can delete or remove key and their associated value from dictionary by using del statement. The dictionary data can only be deleted using key. So that means we have to specify the name of key to delete a particular element from the dictionary. So the syntax of using del statement is, you have to specify del, and then after that dictionary name, then inside the dictionary name you have to specify the name of key. And let's demonstrate how to delete the data. So let's suppose I want to delete this element age from the dictionary. So I'll specify del, then dc, and inside double quotes, inside the square brackets, I have to specify the name of key. In this way, save it. So it will remove this key along with its value from the dictionary. So run it. So that particular element has been deleted from the dictionary. And in the same way, if you want to delete some another element, like I want to remove name, then system will delete that element from that particular dictionary. So that is all about how we can make use of that del statement to delete or remove the element. After all, we'll discuss about how to input dictionary data. We can input dictionary elements from user by creating an empty dictionary using dict function. We have already discussed about the dict function, and by using dict function you have to make an empty dictionary, and by specifying the name of key inside the square brackets, you will be able to assign value to a particular key by using input function by getting value from the user. So let's demonstrate how we can make use of this. So here we are having a dictionary containing fixed values, but I want to make accept these values, get these values from user. So you all have to do, first of all you have to declare an empty dictionary. Dc is equal to dict, Then empty dictionary has been created. Then after that, I want to accept name, age, and address from user and store those values inside dictionary. So I'll specify DC. Inside double quotes, I'll specify name of key. Then equal to input, enter your name. So after this, we'll store next element, that is age. The type of age is number, so I have to convert like int input, enter your age. Then after that, we have to close the bracket. One more bracket is there. Then DC address equals to, address is of string type, then there is no need to use int for type conversion. Enter your address. Then so I'll print a message, print elements of dictionary are. So just try to run it. So here we are having a message, enter your name. I'll specify, then age 21, address forgot. Now the elements of dictionary are Mohit, 21 and Fagwara. So in this way you will be able to declare to get values from user and store those value inside a dictionary. So before that you have to make an empty dictionary, and after that by using input function you will be able to make a you will be able to get input from user. So that was all about the present session. If you people are having any kind of doubt related to any of these operations that we can perform